Want to create viral videos in minutes? With Nano Banana and Creati, it's easier than you think. No editing skills, no complex tools, just templates, your images, and a click. First, visit the Creati AI app at creati.studio. Log in, or sign up if you're new. Once inside, everything starts with templates. These are pre-built styles that make your videos look polished and ready to share. Here's how to use it. Go to the Templates section. Choose one that fits your idea. Upload your images and type a short prompt. Then hit Generate. That's it, fast, simple, and done. In just a few clicks, you have a video ready to go. Here's some examples people have created with Creati. Sam Altman's mood change. Mira Murati's hair color change. Product photography generated in one click. Jeff Bezos posing with the angle play template. 3D figure transformations. Hair color change for Elon Musk. Which one looks best to you? Creati with Nano Banana makes creating viral content easier than ever. Whether it's for fun, social media, or product marketing, you can go from idea to video in minutes. Which template would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides like this.